Your voice can unlock your iPhone. Unlock my phone. Here's how. Lock your iPhone and note the exact positions of your passcode digits. You can use a marker on a transparent tape or mentally remember the positions. This is important because the gesture screen will look blank. Unlock your iPhone normally. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Here, find and tap Voice Control. Tap Commands. Select Create New Command. In the text field, type the voice phrase you want. Example, unlock my phone. Tap Action. Select Run Custom Gesture. A blank gesture screen will appear. Using the empty screen, tap the positions of your passcode in the correct sequence. Make sure the tapping pattern matches your real passcode buttons. After completing it, tap Save. Press Done or Save to confirm the entire command. Exit the settings. Lock your iPhone and say your command. Unlock my phone. If done correctly, your iPhone will automatically perform the passcode taps and unlock. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.